Hey, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you know, I have made and designed lot of home automation PCBs and I always wanted to make a 3D enclosure for these PCBs because these PCBs get damaged with dust over time and also it is not safe to use without any enclosure. We always have fear of electric shock. So I start seeking a 3D printing services online. Then I found JLC PCB 3D printing services. Yes, this company is a part of JLC PCB which manufactures and prototype insanely good PCBs. I have been using JLC PCB from last 3 years. If you want to know more about JLC PCB, check the link in the description. JLC PCB 3D printing is a leading company that has set a new benchmark in providing exceptional 3D printed parts. Whether you are an engineer, entrepreneur or hobbyist, JLC 3D printing offers a comprehensive range of services to meet all your prototyping needs. With their cutting-edge technology, exceptional quality and commitment to customer satisfaction, JLC PCB 3D printing is committed to revolutionize your projects. JLC 3D printing has equipped with the latest technology which ensures precise and accurate results. Either you have simple design or complex geometries. Their advanced printing capabilities can bring your ideas to life. JLC PCB provides these 3D printing technologies. The first one is stereolithograph, multi-jet fusion, selective laser melting, fused decomposition modeling, selective laser sintering. Apart from technology, JLC PCB has diverse range of printing materials, allows you to choose the most suitable material for your specific project requirements. JLC PCB understands the importance of a seamless and hassle-free ordering process. Their user-friendly online platform allows you to easily upload your 3D models. Let me show you how. Click here to upload your 3D files. JLC PCB supports STL, STP, STEP and OBJ files for 3D printing. After uploading 3D files, now select your preferred material and specification. Select the quantity of 3D parts. After that, here give the small description about your 3D parts. Now click on Save to Cart to complete your order. That's it. And regarding shipping, if you select the fastest delivery method, you may get delivered your 3D parts in just 4 to 5 days. Within a week, I got my 3D printed parts from JLC PCB. Let me quickly unbox this package and we'll see the quality of packaging and quality of 3D printed parts. Oh wow, I got this cute little teddy sticker in the box. One more thing I want to mention here, if you share your 3D model with JLC PCB, then you will get $7 free coupon from JLC PCB. Let's keep this aside. 3D parts are well packed with bubble wrap. One more bubble wrap. In fact, lot of bubble wrap. I must say this is insanely good packaging. It is impossible to get damaged part during shipping. Here I got my first 3D part. Let's keep this aside. One more 3D part, keep aside, we'll check later. Lots of bubble wrap is used in packaging. Here is my 3D enclosure part for my PCB. Let me make some space here. Well wrapped by bubble wrap. JLC PCB used good amount of bubble wrap for packaging to ensure not to damage any part during shipping. This is 3D printing enclosure for my PCB. In my first impression, quality looks great. Surface finish is very smooth and it is very durable and looks pretty premium. And the texture cut and the corners are very accurate and precise. Here as you can see, my home automation PCB fits very good and everything closely match with my intended design specifications. Let's keep this aside and check rest of 3D parts that I ordered along with this PCB. This one is a small cute looking keychain. This 3D printed keychain is very small but JLC PCB manages well in production. Surface finish and edges are very smooth and all the inside cuttings are pretty perfect. Let me check another 3D part. This one is lotus flower along with Namaste text. In this 3D part, edges are very thin, but JLC PCB did a great job here. All the corners and edges printed well and very smooth. Printed part is 100% accurate as per my design. Surface finish is super amazing. I had to say here the quality is exceptionally and insanely great. JLC PCB pride itself on delivering 3D printed parts of exceptional quality. Each part goes through a rigorous quality control process to ensure superior finish, structural integrity, and dimensional accuracy. The company employs a team of skilled technicians who meticulously inspect every component, ensuring that only the finest parts are delivered to their customer. With JLC PCB, you can be confident in the reliability and durability of your 3D printed prototypes. When it comes to 3D printing services, JLC PCB stand out as a game changer. With their cutting-edge technology, unmatched quality, seamless ordering process, affordable pricing, and exceptional customer support, JLC PCB is the ultimate one-stop solution for all your 3D printed parts need. Whether you are an engineer bringing a product to market or a hobbyist looking to turn your ideas into reality, JLC PCB has the expertise and resources to make your vision to a success. So do try out 3D printing services of JLC PC for your next project. Apart from 3D printing, JLC PCB also provides CNC machining services. All the important links are available in the description. That's it for this video. Hit like button and please do subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you have any question or queries, please put down in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.